Well, so we did it. We're in Paris. There's the Eiffel Tower. There's me. There's some more cool things to look at. So we got that. Yep. So here's what I want to show you. Got a little canal here. I'm sure these are museums. Yep, we did it. Now I can die happy that I saw the Eiffel Tower. Munich, Germany.
Entry.
That shit says entry.
You stay here. Because we're doing. We are not going to.
Hey.
Oh, that door, like.
What is y'all doing?
Gabby's steady walking.
What is?
Don't you see that wall, bitch?
I be fucking trying to look.
What is
Oh,
y'all?
stop.
No.
They even got it.
What
They
is
got for a car, man.
Have doubt in how the world will go. People will show you that there's hope.
People will show you that there's hope. So, what I say about this, Schlitzensburger.
He gifted us a bottle.
With
He
red
gifted us a
berries.
bottle. He gifted us all cocktails and extra pool time. And he signed it for us.
Marshall.
I'm like,
Fuck, I appreciate the world. and
Do
other
you?
people in it. Yes,
Tell
I
us
do.
how you really feel.
I appreciate people. I love people, and when you not the final thought.
yes, my final thought.
Why are they still going in on me? Is you only live once, but only if you live responsibly and you live with love.
All right.
Live responsibly, but you only live once.
No,
You want to know what's funny?
I want to know what's so funny.
You want to know what's funny?
I want to know what's so
This
funny.
bottle made this drink.
but no, my new buddy Louis Schlitzensburger from Germany. He
They're liars.
I know, I'm trying to get all mine in while I can. Were you able to save the picture that way, or do you need me to text it to you? No, you opened it. Yeah, you opened it. So that means you didn't get it. Let me text it to you.
Snap or Snap? Oh, I can look it up. Save it. I just have to screenshot it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, but you already opened the snap. That's what it
I
says.
accepted your friend.
All right, fashion show. She got some tigs for show.
Did you save your snaps?
I said about the end of the night.
Okay, it's like good. I know, but we just don't want to forget. Because that is going in. We're going to make a DVD.
Are we?
We're making a DVD.
Are we?
Back to the hotel.
No, Mike, now.
And bounce, 2, 3, 4, and slide, turn and go. And
Slow it down.
1, 2,
Yeah, hit that just
footwork.
Yeah, 1, 2,
Get
3,
the
4,
footwork,
yeah.
get the footwork, walk and walk.
And then you do the walk.
Walk 2, 3, 4, and bounce, and slide. Yeah, we have an event going on here. I want to welcome you to the front row seat. I want to welcome you to the front row seat of this event. Here we go. We have the challenger. Who's gonna take it? Who is going to take it? Do we have the hurricane? Do we have the hurricane in first?
The hurricane!
We don't have the hurricane at first. This is nothing but foam, my nigga.
Y'all fucked up. Y'all have fucked up.
Nothing but foam.
Y'all have fucked up. What are you doing, guy?
Bruh.
What are you doing?
That was on here.
You snapping me, snapping you.
Smart guy.
Dork wide.
Does anybody have anything to say about our meal? Mr. Marshall.
Hey,
He's going through it.
A1. Miss Gabby. A1. This is day 3, I guess.
Oh, this is good.
My hair sucks. They threw away my shampoo at the airport.
Yeah, they threw in my hair shit.
Fucking.
Marshall was like, we pulled me to the side yesterday, like, we're gonna get a brush.
This is half of what I was
oh
able to
yeah,
do.
bro. 'Cause they had to tell Don to, like,
So good.
show off that design.
Dante. Snapper Dapper. I see you. Marshall Lee Munden in the house. Michael Cortez. Might grab this from me. Thanks.
Das sind so die Leute, die im Nachhinein immer alles besser.
Where are we? Well, where are we?
Munich, Germany. Munich, Germany. We at Oktoberfest.